Good evening. It was a long day at work today. This bad B told you I'm about to basically just open up some stuff. Like I got a lot, I think. Okay, so we got this. Oh shit! Season one camel crate. It's red. What do I want? I think I want a shotgun. Okay, now let's go see about the shotgun. Wait, what the hell is it? Bro, this wasn't a shotgun either. Fucking ah. Well, guess we had to take the best one. SKS. Yeah, it's gonna be the SKS. Ooh, that's a nice camera. Alright, let's go to the next. That should be a shotgun. That should be. The fuck is this? So they're not even putting the right freaking. This is assault, bro. Like I don't get it. Kind of mad too. So let me put this on something I don't even use. What is this? Put it on the Odin. We don't care about the consolation prize. We know it's garbage. Alright, now let's go to this. Max. Wait, it says. Oh, never mind. Oh, yeah, they gave me. Hell yeah. We'll take those credits. Alright, let's open this up. Get this up. Wait, how many we got? 9? What the hell we got 9? We'll take it though. Definitely. Look at that. Mythic. Mythic. Alright. Well, what's left in the inventory? I mean, something's still shining as one gold coupon. We don't care about that. But we are gonna do this though, because we got to. So we might wait. No. So we might as well record. Let's go to the milestone. Exchange some of these tokens. We got 240. What you think? Um, I think that strongbox. Yeah, we going strongbox. And we get the max. 2 of them. We should have went and opened it, but forgot we gotta claim this stuff. Cause I don't know about y'all, but I gave up on this. But I'm still on the leaderboard cause I started playing again. If you don't keep playing, somebody gonna pass you. You ain't gonna be up there. So gotta keep playing. Collect all them tokens. That's a lot of tokens. Cool. Now let's check leaderboard. No, we don't even need to. Cause we right here. Okay. Okay. Let's see what else we gotta do. I think that should be it, right? Why does power and number still got a fucking notification? Whatever. I'm not dealing with it. Inventory. We're gonna open this last strong box. Max it. Give me that character. And y'all dirty. Look at that. That's dirty. On both. That's dirty. Why would y'all do me like that? Uh-oh, clan. I was last place? No. So do we got a clan? Like, no, I think we already opened it. Alright, well, shit. It's Babito G. We out of there. Till next video. I holla.